guys, meron siyang, ano, ayan, kumpleto siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, mura lang to siya, guys. Mura lang to. Nabili ko to sa Walmart. I think, nung nabili ko to, ano eh, December yata yun. Pang gift. Bibili ako sa sarili ko, eh, wala naman akong time maglagay-lagay, guys. Kasi, palaging nasa, ano, trabaho. So, ayan. Ang gusto ko talaga nito, guys, ay ito lang. Ayan, ito lang ang gusto ko, guys. Yung pang, ano, pang eyebrow. Kasi yung eyebrow ko, ito parang makapal. Hindi makapal. Ito, sobrang makapal. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya pantayin. Kaya, kailangan ko ng eyebrow shaper. So, ito yun. Ayan, dalawa lang naman siya. Yeah, dalawa lang siya, guys. Ay, naku. Look, guys. Yun. Ganyan siya ba? Ayan. And then, ito, ganyan. Ayan, guys, oh. Ganyan. Ganyan mo siya. Tapos, i-shape mo yung ano mo. Parang sobra siyang mahaba. Ayan. Super slim siya. Yung ano ko. Ay. Ano siya? Masyado naman siyang slim. See? You see, guys? Ang slim nito. Tapos, yung ano kilay ko, hindi kaya slim. Makapal kaya. Ang sobrang slim naman pala nito. So, ayan, ito ay eyebrow shaper. Ang sobrang kapal naman yan. Ayan, so eyebrow shaper. Shaper. So, next is this one, guys. Alam mo yung ang ganda ng kulay. Nude lang siya. Nude ang kulay nito. Eyeshadow palette. Naku, ang ganda ng kulay nito. Alam nyo ba, guys? Kaso lang, hindi ako marunong maglagay. Yan, ang ganda ng kulay, guys. Oh, nude siya. Super nude. No? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I think, iwan ko. May pangalan ba dito? Ayan, it has here, if irritation occur, discontinue use and consult a doctor. Yeah. Eyeshadow palette. Oh la la. So, it has a highlighter, bronzer, and I think bronzer. I think this one is the bronzer. Or a contour, highlight, and this one I think, I don't know what is the color of this. Oh, it's black. So, yeah, this one is all for the eyeshadow. So, eyeshadow only. So, and I think you can use it for the contour also. So, that is what I have. This is nice color. And then, it has a lot on it, guys. This one. Sabi ko na sa inyo, guys, may ano, ito, lip gloss. Look, guys, this is a lip gloss. No? Patats nga ako ng, ano, ito, be. Oh! Nice siya, guys. Look, I touch it. Sobrang smooth niya. So, yan yung ano niya. Alam nyo ba guys, naglagay ako ng something sa eyes ko. So, nung napunta kami sa party kasi may party up kami. I think kahapon. Nagmukha akong tanga doon. Ayan. Kasi yung pagmumukha ko, ay iwan ko na lang. Iwan ko, hindi kasi ako sanay sa makeup. Pag makeup lang ako. Pag yung ano, yung gusto ko yung natural lang siya guys. So, this is the eyeshadow. This is the lip gloss. Eyebrow shaper. And oh, this one is really just for the eyebrow, guys. This one is, I have here, what is this? This one is the highlighter. And this one is the blush. This is the blush. And this is an eyebrow. Ayun. Bili natin, guys. Ay! Ano ba yun? Nalaglag. Ilaglag yung isa. So, this is the blush. Oh, it's very pigmented. Look the color, guys. What is the color of this? Yeah, this is made in China, guys. And this one is a highlighter. This is a highlighter, guys. So, highlighter. Wow, it's a creamy. It's a cream. This is the color, guys. Oh. See? That's the highlighter, guys. Oh. Di ba? So, hindi siya masyadong highlighter, guys. Iwan ko. So, ganyan siya, guys. Highlighter, as what they said, that's the highlighter. And this one is the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, guys. That's pretty also. No, it's all cream. It's creamy. And it melts on your skin. Yeah. I hope that this is okay for the skin. And after that, guys, it has this here. It's done. It's done. It's done. And this one also. And this one. And that one. So, and this one is, these are the Brow Pencil. This is a Brow Pencil. And this is a eyeliner. This is eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner. You know what I do like that. Ah! It's pigmented, guys. Look, the color. This one is the eyebrow eyeliner. This one is the eyeliner. Wow, wow, wow. This one is brow liner. Brow pencil. Right. Ah! That's it. Pigmented. So this is brow pencil. Di ko kasi nakita, guys, eh. So, you see, guys, this one is really super black, this side, and this side is not, it's not equal, guys. I don't know why. So that is why I want an eyebrow liner, because this one is thick and this one is not. I don't know how I can make it pantay. And then this one here, guys, is the mascara, and of course this one. So I don't know how to use this. Yeah, this one is the mascara. We see the mascara, guys. So that's the mascara, guys. Not bad. Seems like I have a dark here. It seems like I have a dark there. That's just an illusion, guys. And this one is the eyeliner. Another eyeliner, guys. So I will show you guys. It's eyeliner. Ah! So it's black. Ganyan siya, guys. It's like a sample. This one is really black. Ayan. It's really black, huh? And this one is the eyelashes. You know, guys, I don't know how to use the eyelashes. I don't know. So I will not remove it. And that one is the eyelashes, guys. That one. Eyelashes. This one is the mascara. The eyeliner. And here, and it has a small brush and spoolie. And it's to use for applicator. And this one is Brilliant. It's a liquid lip gloss, guys. This one. And I have this one also, guys. This one is a lip gloss also. So this one. Oh, that's the color. And this, guys, this one is a lip gloss. I'm gonna swatch. It's just a glitter, guys. It's just a lip gloss. It doesn't have a color. You guys see? Ayan. It's to make your lips shiny, guys. So it has this. This one is just to make your lips brilliant. And that's the color, guys. Just like that. It's the same color as my skin. And yeah, that's all, guys. So this is fun, especially when you just practice. I mean, I like this one, guys, because I am practicing not to put hindi yung talagang ano, yung parang yung ma-enhance lang yung ano ba, yung kulay ng mukha mo, yung parang make-up, ano ba yun? Yung ganun ba yun? Ayan, hindi kasi ako marunong mag-makeup, guys, kaya practice, kaya meron ako nito, para ito ang gagamitin ko. Actually, marami akong ano, guys, yung original na ano, na ganyan. Meron akong tarte, for example. Ayan. Meron akong tarte. Yan, tart siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong saan yung takip nito. And then, meron ako nito. Ito naman ay Too Faced. Ayan, yung Too Faced. Ayan, yun yung original na ano ko. Ito naman yung parang ano. Ayan, meron siyang, ito yung eyeshadow. Dito yung ano, highlighter, brown. I can say this one is for contour, highlight, blush, and then highlighter. This one is the highlighter. So, ayan, meron ako nito, guys. Pero, nasayangan akong gumamit kasi, ay, yan yung ginagamit ko, yung dalawa, yun yung ginagamit ko sa paglagay ng, ng makeup ko dito ngayon. Kaya, yun. Ayun, yung ganyan lang, guys, ba? Meron siyang a little bit here, a little bit there. Ayan. And then, sa mukha din, a little bit and a little bit. So, yan lang, guys. So, yan lang. Masaya ako. Yung favorite ko nito. Ano to siya, guys? Sa Walmart ko lang to siya nabili sa tabi-tabi. And then, siguro ito, maganda yung kulay niya, no? And then, ito, guys, masyado siyang mahaba sa kilay ko. Masyadong dito siya hanggang dito. And then, yeah. Alam niyo naman yan, ang kapal, diba? Kumpara nito. Iwan ko. Ay, sobrang kapal nito kaysa dito. Kaya hindi siya pantay. Lagi siyang ano. So, ito lang siguro ang dapat kong enhance ito. Huwag hindi na kailangan. So, yan, ito, hindi siya masyadong ano. Ito lang yung gusto ko, guys, eh. Kaya ko ito binili, guys, kasi nakita ko to. Hindi ko naman to kailangan. Hindi ako marunong maglagay niyan. Ito lang dapat sana para ma-shape yung kilay ko. Eh, sobrang laki naman ito. Sobrang mahaba siya, guys. So, ayan lang. So, ito, iwan ko, para siyang candle. Kandila. Yung para siyang kandila. And then, ito din, yung highlighter. Siguro, yung blush, at saka ito lang yung gusto ko. Ay, yung bit ko ba? Pero ito sana yung gusto ko, na kailangan ko, na gusto kong magkaroon. Kasi hindi ako marunong magkilay, lalo na sa pagpantay. Look, hindi pantay, di ba? So, ayan lang. At saka ito guys, itong dalawa. Pero sobrang dry niya, parang dry yung ano, yung product. So, kailangan mong isprayhan ng para malambot or kailangan mong mag-hydrate sa mukha mo para ano, para madaling kumabit or maglagay talaga ng primer para kakapit yung product ba. So, ayan lang guys. Salamat sa panunood. And thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!